How's it going today, folks? Got her all hooked up. Switch panel is all hooked in. I'm gonna get some hold downs to keep all that down, I would imagine, just to keep it down out of the way. But yeah, we're gonna try. For some reason, my thing only likes to go in neutral and drive. I think I got something done up and under. I'll have to check it out. But keep it in neutral to make sure she don't run. All right, let's do it. Alternator, fuel pump, fans. Yep. ECU and starter. Runs wicked. Alright. Alternator, fuel pump, fans, ECU. Wicked. She runs awesome. Wicked, boys. Alright. We're soon getting down to the end of her. Couple more things left to do. Gotta get some hold downs from the gas tank. Gotta get that situated. Get some gas put in there. Oh, exhaust smells. Yeah, there you go, guys. This should be it now for today. We'll see you on the next one.